So I'm Gregor from United Kingdom. This is my second visit to MCAN for hair transplant. I had my first hair transplant in March 2020, which went very successfully, and I was so impressed with the service, the procedure and the aftercare. I came back for my second procedure to have my crown done yesterday, and so far it's all going very well. Everybody's very helpful, the service is excellent, and the whole experience has been very, very good.
Will you recommend MCAN Health to others?
Absolutely, yes. I would recommend anybody to come to MCAN. The experience from start to finish has been very, very good.
Can you show us your result?
Sure.
Like this? This is first time.
This is first time and second time.
And it's post-op 1 day. Thank you so much.
Thank you.